Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Leonard Bain, just hopping on for a short video, just a short update and a glimpse at what's going on over at My Passive Trades. First I want to say thank you for watching, and do me one thing before we start. Can you tell me where you're actually watching this from, and drop it in a comment below in the comment section underneath. Just let me know. I'm just curious to find out where you're watching from, okay? If you could do that, I'd be delighted. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks a million. Now let's continue. Starting off over here, I had 1,000 $1,320 in trade packs. And as you can see here, to date I have earned 1,118 off of those trade packs, and $120 worth of trade packs have expired. Okay, how do the trade packs work? To get active in to get active in My Passive Trades, all you gotta do is uh, purchase some platinum trade packs over here by simply clicking this tab, and then you get the drop down menu where it says buy platinum ad packs. Now the platinum ad packs are $5 each. They run for 125 days and you earn 1% a day, 7 days a week, totally hands free. The guys trade crypto and the forex on the back end, which means you will reap the 1% a day, 7 days a week. Um, Totally hands free, totally passive. This will appeal to a lot of people who are not good at recruiting and they just want to make some money on the internet, online, and with Bitcoin. Stock up on Bitcoin, so to speak. They also have a trading school in here as well, and they do have an advertising platform where you can actually advertise something else that you may got on the go at the moment. So, 120 have expired. I've earned 1,118. I've actually taken out 3,225, basically because I received some commissions as well, okay? Now, as you can see, I got $22 in here at the moment. Actually, I got enough for 4 trade packs. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna purchase 4 trade packs out of my balance, okay? So platinum, buy platinum ad packs. Okay, let's hope my internet is a bit fast. Oh, it's fast enough. So I got $20. I'm just gonna pick out 4, okay? Then I'm gonna select Bitcoin from the drop down menu, and I'm gonna purchase 4 trade packs while I'm here. Now these have been purchased successfully, and they have been added to my platinum account on the main dashboard, which you will see in about 5 seconds. So those particular trade packs that I just bought have been added in here, okay? Now, since I've bought these trade packs, I've earned $241 in there, okay? I do earn a lot of commissions in here as well, okay? I want to show you the trade packs active actually. Here, if I click platinum ad packs, and then I'm gonna click my platinum ad packs, it's gonna bring up a list of all the trade packs that I have at the moment, the platinum packs. So um at the moment I'm able to pick up about $100 a day in here. Now, as I said, this is one passive Bitcoin opportunity that I'm in at the moment. So today, how many have I got? What date is today? The 6th. I've picked up $120 here today. Yesterday was the 5th. I picked up 15, 35, 30. So what's that? 30, 40, 50, 80, $80 yesterday. So let's get down to the 4th. I had 30, 60, 95, about 100. Just pick a random day down here and we see the 2nd, the 3rd, which had $40, the 3rd again, $15, $10. We pick another day. We will pick the 27th of January. $20, $40, $40, another $100. See, 40, 40s, 80, and 20s, 100. So it works out. I'm earning about $100 a day over here, which is pretty easy money, guys. When you apply the compounding method over here. So anytime your earnings reach over $5, you simply buy another trade pack. So yeah, guys, that's my passive trades. Since the last video I done, I'm up a couple of $1,000, getting paid daily. The company is really active. There's a presentation I'm going to in a couple of weeks. Actually, the company's first presentation is being held in Ireland, in Dublin, in a couple of weeks, and I'm actually popping up to see the presentation simply because I'm in Dublin. I'm in Ireland, and Dublin is only a couple of hours on the train, so I'm going to pop up there and see what's going on. So that's my passive trades, guys. Paying out consistently. I haven't taken out anything since December. So I just started compounding these platinum trade packs. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn some Bitcoin over here, guys, I'm going to leave two links below the video, and I'd love to answer any questions that you may have on the platform, okay? So do let me know where you're watching from. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, if you'd like to see me back doing another update. And if you've got any questions, I'd be glad to answer them for you. Alternatively, pop into our Facebook group over here. At the moment, it's growing by about 200 a day. It's 60, Jesus, it's gone up a nice bit. 16,363 people, so over 200 people, 200 or 300 people a week, I think, is being added to the group. Okay, very active, super active, weekly hangouts and so forth. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna grab a cup of tea because I'm a bit parched at the moment, and yeah, links below. Get in touch. Don't be a stranger. Reach out to me on Facebook as well, Leonard Ben, and yeah, let me know where you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next update. Take care, guys. Thank you for viewing. Boom.